2017-18 सीझनाच्या आय लीगा खातीर चर्चिल ब्रदर्स पुराय रितीन तयार झाल्या। युक्रेनियन कोच मिकोलाचे मार्गदर्शनाखाला चर्चिल टीम आपल्या पहिल्या मॅची खातीर शिलाँगाक गोंयच्यान बुधवारा वचपाक भायर सरतले। गोंयांत तांची पहिली मॅच 19 डिसेंबराक जातली। घरच्या मॅचीक चडांत चड फॅन्स येवचे म्हूण तांकां खासा बक्षिसांची स्कीम सीओ वालांका आलेमावान दवरल्या।
We welcome our foreign coach, Mr. Mikola from Ukraine, all the other players, our assistant coach Alfred, our manager Denzi. This year there was a new kind of an induction where they had asked for 5 foreigners on field. Earlier it used to be only 4, 3 foreigners plus 1 Asian. But this year it has been 4 foreigners and 1 Asian. So I think the whole media was also quite concerned that when are Churchill Brothers foreigners coming. But by God's grace, they have all reached and they are going to play this season. More important, which I wanted to say, is because the team is leaving tomorrow as the first match is in Shillong Lajong. So the team leaves tomorrow and they are going to be away till the 16th of December. And then 19th of December is going to be our first match in Goa. It's a matter of pride for Churchill Brothers always to represent Goa, to give everybody a representation. This year it has been a little more, I should say, difficult because the leagues have been at the same time. So, getting players, there was an auction and it was a real journey. But I am very proud to say that Ricardo is a Goan and he's our goalkeeper and he's done extremely well last season also, and I have a lot of faith in him. We are trying to have something more for all the fans where we are trying to give a bike for every match. Bike.
Sports bike.
Sports bike. Sorry? Housey. A kind of a housey with the tickets.
Last year it's many people. Now it's changed. This team is a new one. Many players go out. Many players come in. But you understand, have Pro League Goa and National League. It's very difficult. You understand? It's difficult. But we prepared this team for A League. Plus come foreigner. Our motivation. Football have 3 results: draw, lose, and win. Exactly if you think about another results, not win, you exactly lose this game. Motivation for every game about Pro League Goa, A League, National League, must think only about win.
Churchill Brothers family, my humble request to the press, support us by your esteemed coverage and your support, and by which we won't let you down with the players. We are working very hard and hope we are having a good season.
FC गोवाच्या खेळाचो जादू सर्जिओच्या मार्गदर्शनान एकेवटेन फॅन जोडटा। आता हे नाते आनीक घटमूट करून किंगफिशर ह्या ISLच्या फ्रँचायझाक प्रिन्सिपल स्पॉन्सर म्हणून मुखार आयल्यात। युनायटेड ब्रिवरीजाचो सहाय्यक व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट गुरुप्रीत सिंगान मंगळारा ही घोषणा केली।
We thought the time was right, that over the years we have been doing many things from Goa Pro League to Voice of Goa to various music events that take place in Goa. But I think this particular association for us was really about giving back to Goans the love that they have given to us as a brand. What I really admire about Coach Sergio is his passion for the game, his ability to hunt talent from a very young age, from the grassroots levels. And I think his experience in the Spanish League with Barcelona, this came through quite strongly. Interesting to see how FC Goa is focusing so much on local talent, homegrown talent from Goa. And over the years, I'm pretty confident that this association will help us touch grassroots levels, not just at FC Goa's level, but also at the local level where football is really played, loved and enjoyed every afternoon by the young boys. We've taken principal sponsorship at the same place, the back of the jersey, for FC Goa as well as for BFC, Bangalore Football Club. Those are the two teams that we have partnered with this year.
Que tenemos con este sponsor, que no es una colaboración solo por resultados, sino que es una colaboración también a largo plazo, y yo creo que esto es muy positivo para todos.
It is very difficult in this day and age to come across long-term projects, particularly in the world of football, where results mean everything. So on behalf of the club, I would like to thank Fisher for coming on board and following us in our vision for a long-term project for the club that we have put in place as per the vision of the club. And I thank them for coming on board and doing this with us hand in hand.
भारताचे अंडर 17 आणि अंडर 19 प्लेयरांक चढ अनुभव मेळचो म्हूण इंडियन एरोज पंगड अंदू आय लिगान खेळटलो. ह्या पंगडांतले भारताचे ज्युनियर प्लेयर क्लबाचे प्रोफेशनल प्लेयरांकडे खेळटले. तांची पहिली मॅच चेन्नई सिटी FC आड बुधवारा सांजे 5:30 बांबोळे स्टेडियमार जातली.
At the end, we are sure that these players get more experience, and this experience will be very important for the goals that the youth categories have in the future. And as I said before, these players have there are 7 players in our team can play the IFC under 19 in the under 92 World Cup under 21. And this is the main idea, and with the generation with the under 6 and the generation with under 18, these 3 generations are involved in the future also, in my opinion, in 2022 for the Olympic Games. To get this experience playing with experienced players. And this competition gonna put a lot of problems to us, problems that is impossible to have in a normal session of training. So this competition, 18 games, will be fantastic for this development, and we are prepared for that. I'm a coach, and I said to the players, when we start the game, nobody wins and nobody loses before playing, and we're gonna make exactly the same philosophy of the World Cup. Try to win, try to get the victories, try to make our best. But for sure, in the end, they have more experience when they finish this experience.
Actually, I would like to thank to the Federation for giving us a chance to play in this I-League. And for our team, it's a great opportunity to play with the senior teams. And in the 4 months, we are going to get 18 matches. So we're going to gain a lot of experience. And actually, it's good for our career for the future also, as well as for the Indian football team also.
First of all, we are very happy to play against Indian Arrows. After the World Cup, we have a very good opportunity to play against the best team best organized side in India. Because already the team is tactically the team is superior than us. Because more than 3 years they practice under the coach. They played a very good exposure tournament also. I accept that really compared with us, tactically they are far better than us. If you play against that Indian Heroes, but only that way we have a foreign players. They don't have foreign players, we have a foreign players. That is a little advantage for us. Apart from that, there may be under 19 boys. Our average is 25. So slightly we have advantage. We will utilize the advantage. We try to beat Indian Heroes.
Everybody knows how they performed in this World Cup. It was outstanding performance. They are very young and energetic team, so we are also a good team, and we hope we will do better.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.